Today we have organized with our Pakistani friends a very interesting and successful exhibition. The reason is five our Pakistani brothers, photographers, visited Uzbekistan in August 2025, and they traveled five cities of Uzbekistan: Tashkent, Bukhara, Samarkand, Andijan, and Fergana. And we wanted to show our potential, touristic potential, through the lens of Pakistani photographers. That's why we are here. After their visit, we prepared a book, special book about touristic potential of Uzbekistan, and also we organized this very beautiful and successful exhibition. Two federal ministers of Pakistan, for example, Ataullah Tararsan, Federal Minister for Information and Broadcasting, and Aurangzeb Hichisa, is the Federal Minister for National Culture and Heritage, visited us. So, leadership of PTDC, PNCA, everyone visited our exhibition, and we are very grateful, and we would like to express our gratitude. We are sharing so many common things. We have our common history, our common culture, our sacred religion, our art, our cuisine, our culture. We have common heritage. We have common, history, culture, everything. And that's why we are here right now. We are doing our best to strengthen our relations in different spheres. For example, in trade, in economy, in culture, in art, in tourism. Only 1 year ago we didn't have any direct flights. Alhamdulillah, right now we have 4 direct flights from Uzbekistan to Pakistan. From Tashkent to Islamabad we have 2 direct flights weekly, and 2 direct flights we have also from Tashkent to Lahore. And inshallah next year we will open also a direct flight to Karachi also. It's very important for, first of all, for people-to-people connections, for enhance our cooperation, for increasing our trade turnover, for creating favorable conditions for our people. Because, as I mentioned, we are sharing so many common things, and we should support all of efforts, all of plans, ideas, suggestions, and proposals of our people. That's why we are here. That's why we are organizing this exhibition. Tashkent Urdu, your channel, your media is doing a great job. You are assisting us, you are helping us to strengthen our relations between two great countries, because we are brothers and we are neighboring country. We have so many common things. People of Pakistan about Uzbekistan, people of Uzbekistan about Pakistan. That's a great job. I wish you all the best and success and prosperity.